Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pawswap token. Ticker symbol is PAW. This token is being listed today on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed today, March 3rd, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you get this token is you'd simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search PAW, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, the cool thing about Mexc Global is they have tons of different tokens listed on there all the time, brand new tokens. So definitely, and very low fees as well. So definitely check out that Mexc referral code down there. I do a lot of videos on tokens that get listed on Mexc Global just because it's a great exchange with tons of these new tokens on here. So Pawswap's official Twitter is at Shibarium. Now it says Mexc Global. Now this was just announced 5 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc underscore global. It says Mexc will list at Shibarium in the innovation zone, open for trading, and that will be at 12 o'clock UTC time today for deposits and withdrawals. Now, they have a details page as well that you could check out on Mexc Global's announcement page. It says, Pawswap is a decentralized exchange to be built on Shibarium. A shift towards decentralization for the people, the PAW token offers a secure, fast, and user-friendly experience for trading your favorite crypto assets. Now, it says they have a max supply here. That's a lot of tokens. That is 1 quadrillion tokens. It is an Ethereum token. They have their Etherscan listed on here. It says so far they have 6,419 transfers and 18 decimal places on this, 6,419 holders, not transfers, 18 decimal places on this token. On their Mexc Global announcement here, they have their official webpage is pawecosystem.com. Their Twitter is at Shibarium. Their Telegram is at paw_community_owned. And then they have a Discord on here at Pawswap, and then Medium articles as well. So they have all sorts of information that you could check out. Now, on their Medium articles, they talk about, well, they have 190 followers on Medium so far, so they're not doing too bad on here. Usually Medium doesn't have a lot of followers compared to the rest of the socials. It says, a journey of creating Pawswap, a decentralized exchange for the people. So the journey began with the discovery of the Shiba Inu community, and they realized that there wasn't many DEXs available. So that's where the idea came from. So it says here, prepare for launch. Before we continue, let's take a moment and understand how far we've come already. We achieved a 24-hour trading volume over over $9 million, which is nearly double the combined volume of all tokens listed on Shiba Swap. So that's good. It says we exceeded 4,000 holders, and like I just showed you, they have way more than that. I think it's 6,000 now. They got listed on a few different exchanges before this Mexc global one already, so that's where they probably acquired a lot of their holders from. So they have consistent voluntary community burns. For this, we thank the community tremendously. It will only keep us growing further with less supply and hardcore belief from the community. The only way to go is up. So then they have a big thank you letter on here as well. It says they've communicated on their socials and had a lot of announcements on there. We've seen community burns totaling over 7 billion PAW tokens already. It says we will likely design a tracker to follow and display both quantity and USD value of the community burns. Watching the burnt PAW token supply grow is an exciting as it increases the likelihood of future success and stability and increasing community engagement. And they have, it says launch codes. In our last discussion, we talked about how Pawswap will innovate on top of Shibarium, forging ahead. If you have not already gone through the path here, I guess roadmap they're talking about, that's on a different page here. It says forging ahead is a different article. So it says the next phase of PAW token is launched on ETH and now has been deployed on both BSC and Polygon networks. So it's a cross-chain token on ETH, Matic, and BSC. So that's great that they're doing that. Number 2, Pawswap has gone under initial alpha testing with great results. Nodes are being implemented, and when completed, Pawswap will be fully functional. Once fully functional, Pawswap will release in a limited fashion for initial beta testing. We are preparing to release beta testing of Pawswap prior to Shibarium launch, which will allow us to speed up current development timelines and give us faster feedback and more robust testing for any fixes that need implemented. The Pawswap beta will go to support multiple networks like ETH, Polygon, BSC, which we just talked about. So it says, as soon as Shibarium is live, Pawswap multi-chain DEX will be fully implemented with support of the Shibarium network. To do so, it is vital that we amplify and develop speed of beta to allow pre-launch testing prior to Shibarium's release. So yeah, then trading assets are on there. And then there's talking about continued growth. So these are all the things that they've done already. So they said review their timeline here and see all the things that they've already done. So this is a previous Medium article. Then it goes over the benefits of Shibarium if you want to read about that. Pawswap will add an extra layer to utilize the scalability and security to improve upon the components of Shibarium. So lots of info on their Medium articles. You can check out their webpage. Check out the new announcement here that this token is being open for trading, deposits, and withdrawals on Mexc Global. Check out that Mexc Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about Pawswap and the PAW token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.